regional introduction.
Lately, I've took the time to turn towards yesterday and take a look.
Yeah, I love this one.
Memories so clear, like they're written on the pages of a book. Like the heaven-reaching mountains with their snow caps as a silhouette of time. And the little cabin where the river bends, I can hear the distant sound of prairie wind. And I guess it's just an omen, 'cause I think I got Wyoming on my mind. In a field of virgin snow, the only tracks you saw were the ones you left yourself. And when those cleansing winds would blow, I can recall almost exactly how it felt. Like your sins were all forgiven and your soul was mingling with the rock of time. And I still miss old Cheyenne in the fall. I keep thinking about the daddy of them all. And I guess it's just a moment, 'cause I think I got Wyoming on my mind. Across the years, I suppose the greatest thrill I've ever known was riding across your frosty fields to push a herd of white-faced cattle home. Then those purple twilight shadows fall, the lights go twinkling on, it's supper time. It's the closest